Hey guys, today I'm at the Apple Store today to review the brand new released iPhone 17 Air. So let's go into that. Yeah, so this is the iPhone 17 Air, and honestly, the first thing you notice about the phone is the weight. It's super light. If you're someone that hates heavy phones, you're gonna love this. The frame is slim, and Apple gave it some fun colors too. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels lighter. So the screen is an OLED, and it looks sharp and bright, but it also has 120 Hz refresh rate, and it's really smooth. It runs fast, and you can do whatever you want to do so fast. And it also has the A19 Pro chip in there, which makes it really fast. The app opens quick and the games run smooth. And it also has the iOS 26. You can see the liquid glass over there. Just take a look at the phone. Really nice, honestly. And also the camera, the iPhone Air has one camera, which is a 48 MP camera, and the photos are solid, the videos looks clean, and for social media it does the job. Honestly, if you are someone that you want to use a phone with the pro features, but like you don't want a phone that it's heavy, I would say you should go for the iPhone 17 Air, honestly. And the front camera is a 18 MP center stage camera, and the back camera is a 48 MP camera. Just take a look at that. Really nice. Yeah, and the center stage camera has a lot of new features whereby it has a landscape and a portrait mode. Before it used to have the portrait, but now it has a landscape mode. So if you want to take a selfie with your friends and you don't want to flip to the back camera, you can use the front camera to take the selfie, because you can also have the landscape mode on the front camera, which is really nice. Like, that's a nice feature. So you can actually have a selfie that's going to contain you and all your friends by just using the front camera, which is really nice. And the zoom, it's zoom more than 10x, honestly. So that's the landscape mode over there. You can see me just playing around with the camera over there. Yeah, I was just playing around trying to do something. And the phone can shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS, which means your videos and pictures are going to be pretty clean with just a thin phone like this. That's really nice. And also the battery life is really decent. It's because it's thinner and because it's eSIM, so there's been more space for the battery, whereby it can last more than the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max, because it's not using physical SIM. So it has a very good battery compared to the other iPhone, honestly. So if you're someone that wants to use an iPhone that it's not, that is light but it does a lot of things, I would say you should go for the iPhone 17 Air, because it's really light and it can do a lot of things than the Pro phones can do, honestly. I'll just say you should go for the iPhone 17 Air, honestly. Yeah, just take a look at the phone. Yeah. And also the phone has up to 27 hours of video playback, and it has the A19 Pro chip in them, which it's really gonna be fast. That's the same chip in the Pro and the Pro Max, and it has a 6.5 Super Retina XDR display. And yeah, the phone is just nice. I really love the phone, honestly. Like, just take a look around. It's so thin, honestly. And the iPhone 17 Air starts from around $1,449, or you can also get it for finance, also like 60.37 monthly. And yeah, that's basically everything about the iPhone 17 Air. If you stay to the end of this video, make sure you subscribe, share, like, and tell me what you think about the iPhone 17 Air. Would you be getting them? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.